Hey there all you cool cats and kittens, and welcome back to Truly Cooking. In today's episode we are going to cook the most amazing bacon and egg fried rice, so stick around until the end so I can show you just how simple it is. All you need is 2 cups of leftover rice, white or brown rice, preferably medium or large grain so it doesn't become all lumpy clumpy. 2-3 slices of bacon, 2 eggs, some veggies, some garlic, some ginger, soy sauce, fish sauce, sesame oil, white wine or mirin, sesame seeds and some coconut oil. You will find this recipe in the description below. This recipe is perfect if you want something quick and tasty without a lot of hustle. Now is the right time to clean your fridge, so go ahead and grab some baby marrow, some carrots, some green onion and some celery sticks and get chopping. Use a small or medium dice, activate that bear claw and watch me how I karate chop all of these vegetables. And if you don't know what the bear claw technique is, go ahead and look it up and I'll be here waiting. You can't have fried rice without garlic or ginger, are you crazy? Now let's give your old garlic a smash to let the allicin form. Allicin is a chemical compound found in garlic. By chopping our garlic 5-10 minutes prior to cooking it, we allow the garlic to become this awesome, super protective, disease-fighting superhero. I said super twice, I know. And that's something you didn't know. You're welcome. This part, what we're doing right now, prepping or mise en place, will allow you to be more organized because it's crucial to have everything ready before we start cooking. I'm going to use the green part of the green onion, some purple sugar snap peas and some regular snow peas, the one that's the flatter one, as garnish for some textures and some lovely colors right at the very end. And we're back to cooking bacon again. Please check our other 2 videos that also use bacon for a more detailed explanation why I use medium-low heat to slowly render the fat of the bacon, thus becoming nice and golden and crispy. As per usual, remove on a piece of paper towel. Now let me give you a pro tip. If and only if your cholesterol levels are pretty cool, after you cook the bacon, don't throw that delicious fat that's currently residing in your pan. Instead, use it to cook our eggs. Switch to high heat, throw the eggs in, and scramble gently until we have some nice ribbons of egg or a softer scramble. Please be very gentle. After that, just remove from the pan. Alright, and we're moving on to our next sequence of events. I left the pan on high heat so you can see the smoke coming out. I totally wanted to do that, sure. Add the coconut oil and your chopped veggies. We're using coconut oil because it has a high resistance of oxidation at a higher temperature. That means it's not gonna burn that fast. We will be adding our garlic and ginger only after 2 minutes of stirring, as we don't want it to get burned. After that, go ahead and add that wine or mirin, which is a fermented wine, to let the alcohol evaporate. Also, don't forget to pour a glass for yourself because you've made it so far. Now go ahead and use Uncle Snoop's words of wisdom and drop that rice into our mixture. Almost like drop it like it's hot. Give everything a nice stir and allow everybody to get to know each other. Start adding all of our spices and oils. Add some of the chili flakes, some soy sauce, some sesame oil and fish sauce. Fish sauce is a liquid condiment made out of salted and fermented fish or krill. It's super funky, almost as funky as the track playing in the background. Fish sauce also has a distinctive smell. If you don't believe me, take a deep breath and give it a nice smell. Fishy. It also allows to develop a nice umami flavor. We're almost there. Give it a final stir and let's move to the plating sequence as I'm getting hungry already. Notice how I haven't added the bacon yet. I want mine crispy, so I'll add it at the very end to prevent sogginess. Add everything to your bowl of choosing, break some of that bacon and the green part of the green onion and some sugar snappies, and boom, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. The most scrumptious and easy to make bacon and egg fried rice. Thank you very much for your time. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more of these videos, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. All the best and see you next time.